If you're seeing X or Twitter error 1034, usually known as Edge IP restricted, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it on your PC browser. This error often happens when X gets routed through a restricted IP address, or when browser data, extensions, VPNs, or network settings interfere with the connection. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few simple steps without needing any advanced technical knowledge. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the most common fix, which is clearing your browser cookies and cache. Old or corrupted site data can easily cause connection problems, especially with websites that use strong security checks like X. If you're using Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything related to the issue. Then make sure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Once that's done, click Clear Data and give the browser a moment to finish. After that, close and reopen Chrome, then try loading X again. In many cases, this alone is enough to remove error 1034. If the error is still there, the next thing you want to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, and especially VPN-related extensions can conflict with Cloudflare protection and X's security systems. To test this, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. Then temporarily disable any ad blockers, script blockers, or suspicious extensions one by one. After turning them off, refresh the X page and see if it loads normally. Must see. If it does, you found the cause. At that point, you can leave the extension disabled for X or remove it entirely if it keeps causing problems. This is one of the most overlooked fixes, but it's very effective. Now, let's move on to your network connection. Error 134 can happen if you're on a restricted network, a corporate Wi-Fi, a public hotspot, or a VPN or proxy that X doesn't like. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect from it completely and refresh the page. If you're using a proxy, turn that off too. Sometimes your internet provider or a network firewall can also cause routing issues, so if possible, try switching networks. For example, test your phone hotspot instead of your home Wi-Fi or try another trusted connection. If X loads on one network but not another, then the issue is very likely with the network route rather than your browser. Another simple fix is to access X through the direct homepage instead of a bookmarked profile or broken subpage. Sometimes the exact page link you're opening is cached incorrectly or is being routed in a weird way. So instead of going directly to a specific profile or post, open a fresh tab and go to x.com. This forces a clean session and gives X a better chance to load correctly. Once the homepage opens, sign in again if needed and then navigate to the page you wanted from there. This small step can often bypass the error when a direct page link is the problem. If you're still getting the error, it's a good idea to try a different browser as a quick test. Open Firefox, Edge, or another browser you have installed and visit X there. If it works in another browser, then the problem is probably limited to your original browser's cache, extension setup, or profile settings. If it doesn't work anywhere, then the issue is more likely network related or on X's side. That gives you a much better idea of where to focus next. You can also try restarting your computer and your router. It sounds basic, but it can help refresh your IP assignment and clear temporary routing problems. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then restart your computer before trying again. This can sometimes resolve a misrouted connection that triggers the 1034 error. At this point, if you've cleared cache, disabled extensions, checked your VPN or proxy, and tested a direct X homepage link, you should be in a much better position to fix the issue. The main thing to remember is that error 134 is usually not caused by your account itself. It's more often a browser, network, or routing issue that can be corrected with these steps. If this tutorial helped you fix X or Twitter error 1034, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and let me know what browser and network you're using and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.